was Ian from Melbourne, Australia. Is it allowed to say God bless you to a kafir when they sneeze? And is this practice allowed in the first place?
When a kafir sneezes, don't say God bless you. Don't say that. Unless you have the intention of Allah blessing them with the greatest blessing, which is the blessing of guidance, al-hidayah. May Allah change you from being a kafir. But even then, don't say that. That is something from the rights of the Muslim. As the Prophet ﷺ says, when he sneezes, that you what? فَشَمِّتْهُ. All right, that's from the rights of the Muslim, i.e., not from the rights of other than the Muslim. Wallahu alam.